Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make delicious chicken curry. Let's see what ingredients we need to make chicken curry. We need 200 grams of chicken, 2 tablespoons of oil according to your preference, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, salt add according to your taste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 small pieces of tamarind, 3 cardamom pods, 3 cloves, cinnamon sticks, small pieces of cinnamon sticks, 3 small pieces of cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves of garlic, curry leaves, 10 curry leaves, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half a cup of water and 1 tomato. Let's see how we are going to cook it. So first we are going to wash the chicken thoroughly, and then we are going to cut the chicken into small cubes and add some salt. Then what we are going to do, we are going to add tamarind into that chicken. Next we are going to place a pan on a hob and switch it on. Next we are going to add some curry powder, red chili and fenugreek seeds into the pan. Then we are going to fry chili powder, curry powder and fenugreek seeds until they are roasted. Then we are going to add fried chili powder, curry powder and fenugreek seeds into the chicken cubes. Then we are going to mix it thoroughly using a hand or using a spoon and let it rest for 15 minutes. Then we are going to place a pan on a hob and we are going to put the oil into the pan and add garlic, ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, curry leaves, onion into the pan and fry it until golden brown like this picture. Next, when the ingredients fried, we are going to add marinated chicken into the pan. Then we fry the chicken until it's fried properly, and then we are going to add tomatoes into the pan and fry the tomato until it is cooked. Next we are going to take the cup of water and add the water into the pan and close the lid and cook it until the chicken cooked properly. Thank you for watching. Bye.